oil is a common cooking ingredient in the 10 region of Cameroon. How to obtain this juice from this nut? We start by harvesting the matured palm bunches. After which, the nuts are separated from the bunch stalk. And wash thoroughly with clean water. The fruit are poured in a big tin of water and cook under high heat for 2 hours. Thereafter, they are put in a basket to drain out the water. The fruits are passed into a local oil mill. And manually rotated by 2 men, causing the discharges of oil. Extracted oil is poured into another tin. Diluted with water. The oil water mixture is stirred with a long bamboo to get a fine mixture. The oil mixture is heated for another 30 minutes and allowed to settle. The final crude palm oil is cooled and stored. It is suitable for consumption.